Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this awesome 2015 BMW i3 range extender that we have for sale. So there's two versions of the i3, BMW's electric vehicle. There's a completely all-electric version. I think that one has a range right around 110 miles, right around there, right around 100 miles, give or take. Then we have this version, which has the range extender on it. So the range extender is basically a little motorcycle engine. BMW makes motorcycles too, but there's a little motorcycle engine behind the rear seats under the rear parcel shelf that acts like a generator. So basically, once this thing is completely depleted of battery like it is now, the gas engine will kick in and that will act like a generator to power the electric motors until you can get to a charger and you can continue your road trip. So fully charged, you have a range of about 100 miles. The gas tank is really small. It's only like 2.5 gallons. So I think you have a range of about 75 miles on the range extender. So the whole idea is that, you know, if you do get low on range, you can just find a gas station. You don't need to find an EV charger, and you can continue your trip until you can get to a real charger and charge the thing up to continue or for the next day. So that's basically the way this one works. It's a clean Carfax vehicle. We have the original build sheet on it. This wasn't cheap, $55,895 when this was brand new. The upgraded 20-inch wheels was $1,300. This beautiful shade of iconic silver metallic was a $550 premium color. Then we have this parking assistance package, that was $1,000. The technology and driving assistance package, $2,500. The Tera World package, $2,500. That I think gives you like the leather interior and a few other nice features. The Harman Kardon Premium Audio System, $800. And of course, we can print out a copy or email you one if you want to peruse this yourself. So the nice thing about the i3, this is not basically converted from a gas car to electric. This was designed and built from the ground up to be an electric vehicle, of course, with a range extender. So the interior layout is completely different. You don't have a transmission tunnel, you don't have drive shafts. So even though it's a small vehicle, it's very spacious on the inside, and it really has this cool styling. And they use like recycled materials for the dashboard. I think this is also supposed to be like easily biodegradable, so when this thing is finally scrapped at the end of its life, that it will have limited you know, impact on you know, landfills and stuff like that. Nice wood trim, open pore, leather and stitching throughout the interior. Very high quality premium feel, very quiet as you expect in the BMW. Heated seats, navigation. We have a parking camera as well as front and rear parking sensors. Really nice vehicle to drive. And then you have two gauges. That's your gas gauge right there, and this is your EV gauge right there. So pretty simple to drive and operate. The WeatherTech all-season mats. And the shell of the vehicle, the body is actually made out of carbon fiber. The body is so light that actually just holding the body, two people can hold the body up. That's how light it is. So carbon fiber, the whole idea is it's extremely light, and it's also, I think, just as strong or stronger than steel. And it's not cheap to make things out of carbon fiber, but BMW wanted to make this as light and safe as possible. Even though it's a small vehicle, the way it's designed and built with that carbon fiber shell, it is very, very safe. So you have a decent amount of rear cargo. It is a small kind of city vehicle. You can fold down those seats for more cargo space. And then underneath here, you can't really access it. That's as far as you can access. But underneath there, you'll have the range extender engine. And that integrates into the electric motor and transmission. Also notice how the doors open, making it very easy to get in and out of. The rear seat accommodations aren't that bad for a vehicle this small. Performance is pretty good. It's rear wheel drive. I think it's like 180 horsepower. You have almost instant torque. It's not a heavy vehicle, so those electric power, this thing is very quick, very light on its feet. You have a little bit of storage in here. That's your EV charger, and then you have an inflator kit for the tires, and then there's a tow hook if you need to get pulled out of a ditch or something like that. We have some great promotions going on right now, complimentary delivery to pretty much anywhere in Washington. We can put this in our car hauler, we can tow it to you, we can print up all the paperwork. So if our mobile delivery service, this beautiful i3 can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood. Thanks so much for watching today. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.